Welcome back to Mybartender. Today we'll be making the classic New Orleans cocktail invented back in the 1940s called the Hurricane. Add ice to your shaker. First, add 2 ounces of light rum. Next, add 2 ounces of dark rum. Next, add 1 ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice and 1 ounce of fresh squeezed orange juice. Next, add a 1/2 ounce of passion fruit puree and a 1/2 ounce of simple syrup.
Oh my God.
Next, add a bar spoon of grenadine. And now we're going to shake. Now fill a Hurricane glass with ice. Now pour. Finally, garnish with an orange slice and cherry. And that's how you make the classic New Orleans cocktail, the Hurricane.